Are you ever in a pinch where you need to get extra money to pay off debt or just to go out and have drinks with friends? Well, I got 20 side hustles for 2020 that will help you get money and get going in the right direction. So stay tuned and let's dive right in. Hey, what's up? This is Drew Gallagher here, helping you to meet your money goals and help you accelerate your business and your personal life. Making side money can be really hard. You work a 9-to-5 job and you barely have time to go home and hang out with your kids or your family or your friends. So how in the world are you going to make time to make money on the side? Well, let's check out some of these side hustles and maybe they will fit your schedule. So I got a 3-in-1 pack for you, and it's YouTube. There are tons of ways you can make money on YouTube. Number one is Adsense. Lots of brands and advertisers want to run their ads on channels and videos that are similar to the interests of their target audiences. Every time that somebody watches a full ad on your channel, you can make a portion of money, whether it's a pre-roll ad or an ad midway through your video or other ads. Once you reach a certain amount of subscribers, you'll be able to get money passively just by earning income from ads that are being run on your videos. So I suggest get out there and start creating content. The next way to make money with YouTube is through sponsorships. Brands, big and small, work with YouTubers all the time to promote their work on different YouTubers' channels so they can get the word out about their new product or their new awareness campaign. You can make hundreds, even thousands of dollars, depending on the brand and the subscribers that you have. The more subscribers equals more money. I suggest working with brands that align with your brand and your values and have products that you would endorse and use. That way you can speak of them highly and it will represent your channel well as yourself. The third way you can make money on YouTube is through affiliate links. There are so many companies out there with so many products that are trying to get the word out and sell more products, and they need people like you to share their products on YouTube and to show off their links so they can get more sales. This is a great way to make passive income. Passive income is when you make money basically while you're sleeping. You set up a system to generate revenue and it runs in the background after a lot of work up front. So you could create videos, link to other products, review the products, and then make money from those companies that have the products that you're listing. If you're good with kids, another great way to make money is through babysitting. I'm sure you have a neighbor near you, or maybe even a family member that has a child that wants to go out or needs help taking care of the kids once in a while. If you are really good working with kids and you like having fun, then I suggest you get into babysitting. Depending on the family and their needs, you can make tons of money over time, and you can even house sit for multiple kids. The more kids you can babysit based on your schedule, the more money you can make. So it's a great opportunity. If you're an academic, this one's for you. Tutoring is one of my favorite ways to make sort of passive income, depending on how you do it. I've been a tutor for many years for subjects like computer science and writing. There are tons of sites out there where you can tutor. Check.com, Code Mentor, Varsity Tutors, Tutor Me, and just anything that you can find on Google that has to do with live tutoring. You can even do private tutoring. You could put up bulletins in private schools near you and say you're offering a certain rate to help with chemistry or mathematics. It's a great way to keep sharp on the subjects that you were passionate about while helping somebody else out of the goodness of your heart and making money on the side. If you're responsible, then you should look into house sitting. House sitters can be responsible for taking care of pets, taking out the trash, and just making sure that the house is in good condition while the owner's away. This can be a great and easy way to make a lot of money on the side if you have a neighbor that is out of town a lot and travels. If you have a driver's license, then you should check this one out. Postmates. Postmates is a food delivery service. You can register to deliver food to people that they order online. It's a great way to make income if you have a car and a license and you're in an area where people are ordering a lot of food, like a city. If you're not into delivering food and you just want to bring people around in your car and take them from point A to point B, then you should try Uber or Lyft. Nowadays, Uber and Lyft are very established, and almost everybody knows about them. Once you register and get a background check, you can start driving around and making money. Isn't that awesome? If you're good with your hands, you should check out TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a service where companies and brands can hire people to set things up like IKEA furniture. There's a lot of tedious tasks that you can knock out of the way for people that are looking for help. You should go on TaskRabbit to see if you can help. If you have a lot of clothes in stock that you're not using, you should try to sell them. You can start selling on Mercari and Poshmark. These apps allow you to sell clothes that you're not using and be able to make a lot more money on them. If you have something in your closet that's just sitting around and collecting dust, this is a great way to get a paycheck. If your body's in good condition and you have a good genetic line, you might be eligible to donate. Donate what, you might ask? Well, here are some options. You can be an egg or sperm donor. They pay really well as long as you have a good genetic history after being evaluated. Donating sperm and eggs is a great way to allow couples to start their own families that are in need. In the spirit of donating, you can also donate blood or plasma. You can Google, where can I donate my blood and plasma for money? You'll find a lot of places where you can donate blood and plasma to make a good paycheck while helping somebody else. If you're in school, this one's for you. Tons of universities are looking for students to help them with their research studies. You can help and collect some money on the way by participating in a sleep study or checking your reaction skills. Just look around campus, ask a professor, or even look online on your school's website. If you're really passionate with working with kids, then I have some more options for you. You can work at Afterschool summer camps. There are tons for sports, arts and crafts, even coding. Become a part of a camp where you feel like you are passionate about the subject and you can influence other people's lives. It's a nice way to make a paycheck and to make a difference. Have you ever heard of VIP Kid? VIP Kid is a service where you can tutor overseas kids in China on how to speak and write English. This is a great way to work with a diverse group of people and to be able to give back. Anybody that knows English can teach it. All you need to do is pass a background check and be ready and enthusiastic to help others learn. Ever heard of Amazon or eBay? If you have a lot of things sitting around the house, maybe you have a gaming system you don't use anymore, or a ton of books just sitting on the shelf, well, don't worry, they won't have to go to waste. You can sell them on eBay or Amazon. Register as a seller and start making money today. Got a knack for fitness? Wouldn't it be great to stay fit and help somebody else get into shape at the same time? Then maybe personal training is for you. See if you can put up flyers or put up a listing online to help people reach their fitness goals. You can charge your own rates and be an independent trainer. You can help somebody live longer and healthier while keeping yourself in shape. Do you have a niche skill? Maybe you sing. Maybe you play guitar. Maybe you know how to code or cook. There are so many different skills out there. Learn a skill or use an existing skill and go teach somebody else. Put up private lessons online, on your own website, or maybe if you teach them at a local rec center or a library. There are a ton of ways you can utilize your current education and skills to help others learn the same ones and to make money. Ever heard of flipping? A lot of entrepreneurs like Gary Vaynerchuk talks about flipping baseball cards and different things you can find online or at garage sales and then selling them at a higher price. This is a great way to make money. Just go to a thrift shop, a garage sale, or even look in your old closets and see if you can find things like old baseball cards, then go online and try to sell them at higher prices. You can make a ton of money on vintage items. Finally, transcribing. There are tons of companies and people looking for other people to be able to listen to audio files and transcribe them. Whether it's in a different language or just in really fast, rattled off English. They want people to be able to write the actual words that are coming out of the person's mouth on tape. This is a high in demand skill and there are tons of websites out there that you can register and make money right now. Scribey and Transcribe Me are just some of the examples of sites that you can register on and start making money today transcribing. Well, I hope you liked my 20 different side hustles for 2020. Now it's time to go out into the world and start making some money. Tell me about any side hustles you have in the comments below. Peace out. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.